Good day to all of you, my dear students. Now, I am Shivaji Tripathi, came to teach you English. And there are two books in English for 12th standard, that is Flamingo and Vistas. As you have got the experience of 11th standard of writing speech, debate, article, report, notice, poster, and so on. The same process is also applied here in 12th standard. The basic need for getting good marks is essential to focus over grammar and the formation of sentences. Besides this, we should develop the ideas that whenever any question is asked to us, what material should we write into the answer? Especially for article writing, speech writing, debate writing, that your marks depend on it. Only the literature is not sufficient for you to get good marks. As I would like to share my previous thoughts and previous ideas, previous experiences, whatever I had. I have my uninterrupted 20 years teaching experience, especially intermediate in different boards as ISC and CBSC. ISC, that is in Gorakhpur area, I think ISC classes runs in St. Paul, Little Flower, St. Joseph, Metropolitan, Stepping Stone, Vikas Bharati. These are the schools running for ISC and ICSC. I was the examiner for 13 years. Examiner for the board copies. And after that, I transferred myself in CBSC. And since 5 years, I have been working as a head examiner for intermediate and for 10th standard too. So I know well that what should be there in a writing section to get good marks, how the students will get good marks. Therefore, for this pattern, still you are not studying grammar, therefore it is a problem to us. If grammar is not in our course, so that here is a problem, that we have forgotten the application of grammar. So what is the means to us to think about? That we should see the lines that is written in our book. That is sufficient to us. That how the lines have been noted, how the writer has used the line, which word he has used, number of words and the formation of sentences are very much important to you to understand. Now, let us come to the chapter, that here it is the last lesson. Actually, it is the first lesson, but here it has been given the last lesson. And as I am before you, came here to teach you first day, the last lesson. Now here It is also the first day last lesson. This is the title of the chapter. How the title of the chapter is appropriate, we should know. Now here, let me see. The last lesson has been written by Alphonse Dot. Alphonse Dot, the pronunciation of Alphonse Dot. Now, he was born in 1840 and was died in 1897, in a very short time, especially, and was a French novelist. Now, he belongs to France and short story writer he was. He has written novel and story. Novel and story as the parts of literature: novel, fiction, story, poetry, drama. Now, the last lesson is set in the days of Franco-Prussian War. Franco-Prussian War. Prussia and France were fighting to each other, and this war took place in 1870-1871, at least for 1 year. That is known as Franco-Prussian War. And in India, as the Muslims came to India during that time, the Indian kings were also fighting and launching war. As the British came, also they started different kinds of war. Okay. And the First World War, Second World War, and right now you see a different war. This different war is quite different and without weapon it is. That is based on biological attack. Biological attack it is. So, this is a plague, this is pandemic. Plague and pandemic, both are just the same thing. Why? Because number of people have been killed because of infectious disease. If the disease become just as an infection in the body and the human being dies, that is plague and pandemic. Okay. Now here, then it was a war for 1 year in which France was defeated by Prussia. France was defeated. Then what? Led by Bismarck. Prussia led by Bismarck, the leader, the main hero. Prussia then consisted of what now are the nation of Germany, Poland, and parts of Austria. Right now, it is, if you see, if you turn the page, we see on page number 6, that is the, yes, France, now Spain, Mediterranean Sea, Italy, Switzerland, Germany, Belgium, United Kingdom, English Channel, there are Bay of Biscay, Bay of Biscay, there are now. So, right now it is the part of Germany, Poland and Austria. That was previous Prussia. Then consisted of what? In this story, the French districts of Alsace and Lorraine, the two districts of France, the two districts of France, as now China has covered Indians' territory in the war of 1962. and that has been known as Aksai Chin. The land area is known as Aksai Chin. Now, illegally, Pakistan has occupied Indian territory is now known as Gulam Kashmir or POK. Pak occupied Kashmir, POK. Illegally they have just covered the area. Now, in this condition, we say that France has lost the battle and therefore the two districts' territory has been occupied by Prussia, that is Germany. Now, have passed into Persian hands. Read the story to find out what effect this had on life at school. Had on life at school. Actually, if the territory has been occupied by other country, the country will impose, will force its own methodology, its own rule, own system and own language in particular territory. उस पर्टिकुलर टेरिटरी में वह दूसरा देश अपने सिस्टम को लॉन्च करेगा, अपने भाषा को बढ़ावा देगा. In the same way, these two occupied districts of France has been suffering, and the information came from Berlin, the capital of Germany, and circulated in the two districts of France, Alsace and Lorraine, that in the schools of Alsace and Lorraine, only German language will be taught. And before this, which language was taught? French. French language was taught before this occupying area, before occupied by Germany or Persia. French language was taught in the schools of Lorraine and Alsace, and after that when the notice has been broadcast or circulated, since that time no other language except German language will be taught in the schools of Alsace and Lorraine, and therefore it was the last day of a French class taken by M. Hamel, the French language teacher. And thus we say the title is very appropriate. That is the last lesson. Why? Because it is last lesson. The lesson is the last lesson. It means this is not the ending lesson. Last day of a French class, therefore the last French lesson. It means no more French language will be taught after that day in these two districts of Alsace and Lorraine. Could you understand? Now, therefore, my dears, the title is appropriate. Actually, what is the main thing here? Generally, we sometimes become late to our school, and especially we have been studying here in this chapter about a child known as French. The name of the child is French. and the name of the teacher is M. Hamel. M. Hamel is the teacher, and little French is the little child, has been studying in a primary school. The situation of the school is given about primary school. It has not been given about the higher school. The chapter has mentioned about the elementary school, beginning school, up to the primary level. Now, French was a little child. He was late to the school on that day. On a day, but he was unknown about any kind of information. He was actually unknown about any kind of information, and he was late to the school on that very day. As he was going very fast, as he was running very fast to the school, he has to pass through the town hall area. He has to pass through the town hall area. During that time, town hall was the center of news circulation, news broadcast. There was a bulletin board hanged into the area. In case if you have seen Gokul Dham Society at Tarak Mehtha Ka Ulta Chashma, I think the teacher always writes over the board about the information and the news. Such a situation was there in the town hall during that time. The news was not circulated by other means, that it was the means of circulation, but right now we have been getting different sources of news, that is radio, mobile, internet, newspaper, television. There are many more sources. Social networking, that is the Facebook, spreading of information through WhatsApp. There are many means of communication we are getting. But in the previous year, when we were thinking about our kings, now they just spreading the message by playing a band, just beating something else, and especially they were using the voice suno suno. Now if we have gone through the episode over the television, we would have seen that one. So it was the way of news circulation in the area, and there was a large gathering near bulletin board on that very day when French was going to his school, but he was late. Someone who was the watcher, blacksmith, was there. He knew French, and he saw that French was running and going very fast to the school. He announced him loudly, "Hello, little fellow, you have lots of time to go to school. You have plenty of time to go to school." It means you don't run, you can move slowly, because he knew the way. He knows the information. Therefore, but the French thought that he has been taunting, he has been teasing me because I am late to school. Therefore, he didn't pay any attention to the watcher, and he was going to the school. Yes, here he was going to the school. But in the way, as he was going, he experiences two things. The one, he has experienced about the drilling of soldiers, marching of soldiers, drilling of soldiers, marching of soldiers, practicing of soldiers, and so on. Just he was watching it, looking very nice. He wanted to see that. And as he was going through the wood, through the garden or forest, he was experiencing the pleasant air, sweet air, and the chirping of the birds, cooing of the birds, चिड़ियों की चहचहाट और अच्छी हवा उसको मिल रही थी, तो हाँ, he wanted to stay there. But he did not stay. He wanted to bunk the class, but he did not bunk. वो स्कूल नहीं जाना चाह रहा था, लेकिन गया, रुका नहीं. वो एंटरटेन करना चाहता था, एंजॉय लेना चाहता था, लेकिन रुका नहीं. Why? It has one reason. M. Hamel was very hard teacher. Whatever he allots to the students, he inquires on the next day. The homework, whatever he allots, he made an inquiry. If he gives a topic to learn everybody, then the next day he asks. Also, M. Hamel has given assignment or homework to prepare the rules of participle. He had allotted the work one day before, and today, on this last day, as M. Hamel was also unknown. Suppose that if I have been taking a class today, and I allot you a homework, next day something happens, then who knows about it? Nobody. So M. Hamel was unknown about it. He has taken the class, and now he has allotted that the participle must be prepared. But French was a weak student. He was a weak student, and he could not prepare the rules of. Actually, he does not understand. So he could not learn it. And he was frightened, he was fearful that when I will enter into the class, my teacher will beat me and punish me. Because he was a hard teacher. So it was little bit muddling. Actually, he does not like to go to school, but he has to go. Otherwise, next day, God knows what information will come to his house. Suppose if your guardians are to be asked, why your ward did not come to school? And parents know that my ward has gone to school. But in between the school and your house, you have been just moving here and there along with your bag, and you are keeping your bag somewhere else. So, he was frightened. Then he decides, French decides, that how shall I enter into the class and my teacher could not see me. He has been making a plan. Then what the plan is? Actually, he thought that he is one of the practitioner, he is one of the student of the class, he knows well the system of teaching, that how M. Hamel moves here and there in the class, and how the children recite the sentences and poems in a loud voice, as the little children of class 1, 2, 3. Now they make a chorus. They sing the A, B, now in the long voice, that they make a large sound. So in this confusion, the teacher will be busy with the students, and I, French, will get an opportunity to enter into the class. And he will not be able to see me, and I will take my seat. He made a plan. But his plan was ruined, failed. Why? As he went near the school, he got everything was quite still, silent. And it seems that the school is just closed and looking like Sunday. Sunday is a off day. So it was looking as Sunday. So it has become a very great problem to little French to enter into the class. Therefore, just he went to the window and saw that M. Hamel was sitting over the chair. Everybody was silent and still. In this condition, he cannot live outside. He has to open the door. He has to go into the class. The teacher will ask him how hard it is, what kind of feeling would have felt by little French at that time. I think the heartbeat would have been high. Now, just he pushed the door, he entered. M. Hamel took him very kindly. Yes, little French, come in, and we were beginning without you. Yes, little French took the seat. He was surprised to see the back benches, those were always found empty, is now filled up. It means he has noticed about the old villagers that some parents, some old villagers have also came and were seated at the back benches. Actually, they have come in the honor and respect and welcome of M. Hamel. Actually, M. Hamel was teaching there for continuously 40 years. So, the old people knew about the information that from next day, and today is the transferring day of this teacher, so at least we should pay homage, respect and welcome. We should see of him in a grand manner. Yes. And the second thing, that the old people have come, that it was the last opportunity to them to learn French language, in case if they have not read into their life when they were little child. Yes, and now M. Hamel was asking question one by one, and it was the turn of little French. French was also asked question, but French do not understand. French does not understand. He hasn't any idea. So he was standing by holding the desk, bending his head. He has no power to see in the eye of the teacher. And then the teacher remarked. He has scolded. He blamed to himself, as I am a teacher. If my students could not learn, could not prepare, I too am blamed for this. And the second thing, that the parents, he has blamed to the parents, that the parents are not very much anxious and worried regarding the education of their children. Therefore, they send them to the mills, to the working place, that my child should earn something besides going to school. And M. Hamel also blamed himself, that many a time I announce your holiday whenever I want to go for fishing. मछली पकड़ने का जब मेरा मन करता है तब स्कूल की छुट्टी. And sometimes I made the students to water my plant. और कभी कभी हम स्टूडेंट्स को अपने क्यारियों की सिंचाई, फूलों बागीचों की सिंचाई के लिए कहते हैं जाओ सभी लोग करो, तो मैं भी दोषी हूँ, तुम्हारे माता पिता दोषी हैं कि वे लोग तुम लोगों को काम करने के लिए भेज देते हैं, स्कूल नहीं भेजते हैं। नाउ आफ्टर दैट ही हैज स्टार्टेड टीचिंग द रूल्स ऑफ ग्रामर। Actually, when M. Hamel has announced about this is the last French lesson, here we see the unexpected reaction from French. French reacted unexpectedly. Now here it was सच एज अ थंडर बोल्ट, जैसे कि बिजली कड़क करके गिर गई फ्रेंच के ऊपर, ऐसा महसूस कर रहा है। ठीक है कि नो फ्रेंच क्लास विल रन। अभी तो मैंने समझना भी नहीं शुरू कर पाया था, तब तक बंद। अभी तो मैं समझना भी नहीं शुरू हो पाया, तब तक फिर बंद, अब दूसरा। तो ही वॉज फीलिंग वेरी सॉरी फॉर दिस, एंड वेन द टीचर स्टार्टेड टीचिंग, अब उसी समय से जब वो सारी फील किया, तभी वो टीचर जो उसे नापसंद था पसंद आने लगा, उसके प्रति श्रद्धा भावना बढ़ गई, इमोशन बढ़ गया। वो किताबें जो उसे बुरी लगती थी अब प्यारी लगने लगी। A drastic change came in the personality of little French. ठीक, अब क्या होता है? Whatever the teacher was teaching at that moment, he was getting everything. क्यों ऐसा हुआ? क्योंकि विषय के प्रति एक प्रेम भावना, इंटरेस्ट बढ़ गया, और जब भी बच्चों का इंटरेस्ट उस विषय पर बढ़ जाता है तो वो विषय को बड़ी तेज़ी से एक्सेप्ट करने लगते हैं, समझने लगते हैं, और जब तक नहीं होता है तब तक कुछ नहीं होता। तो ही वॉज जस्ट कीपिंग इमोशन फॉर द टीचर, एंड ही वॉज इमोशनली अटैच्ड विथ हिज ओन लैंग्वेज फ्रेंच। द बुक हैज़ बिकम डियरेस्ट, द टीचर हैज़ बिकम वेरी डियर टू हिम. He has forgotten all kinds of punishment given by the teacher to him. टीचर के द्वारा जो भी पनिशमेंट उनको दिया जाता था सब भूल गए. Now he was learning everything, he was getting everything one by one. He was just observing the whole class is very silent. Once that a beetle, an insect, came into the classroom, no one was disturbed about it. क्लासरूम चल रहा हो, क्लास चल रहा हो, कोई तितली कोई हड्डा क्लास में घुस जाता है, सारे बच्चे अपने कॉपी किताब को लेकर के उस पर अटैक करना शुरू कर देते हैं. तो ये कॉमन चीज़ें हैं, जब क्लास चलता है तो ऐसा हो जाता है. नाउ बट nobody was disturbed, nobody was, everyone was very still silent. Even the old people were also getting the lessons very nicely, very quietly, and as it was the ending time of the class, now M. Hamel has written Vive la France, and in between many more ideas came in the mind of little French. Actually, at the time of teaching, the pigeons were cooing on top of the building. Little French thought whether the pigeon will be forced by German to speak German language. Will they force us? That if I know my own language, I get complete satisfaction, and no one can take out my own language from my heart. As you people have been listening English, listening Hindi, but mostly you have been getting contentment in your own language, satisfaction in your own language. It is other thing that you have been going through this medium and you are trying to absorb it or understand it. Now here, so M. Hamel was feeling very sorry. He could not speak, but he has just given a symptom that the class is dismissed and everyone can go home. As far as assignment is concerned, my dears, you have to go through the whole lesson. You have to find out the hard words, and the most important thing is, if it is possible, you can write the summary. But for a very short time, I would like to consume 5 minutes more. So I would like to begin the chapter only for one paragraph, if it is possible. As you see, the story begins from the first person. I started. It means the speaker has been speaking to himself, or the writer has been speaking to himself. I started for school very late. Very late that morning, and was in great dread of scolding. Great dread. Now French was feeling fear. He was very fearful that his teacher will scold him. Especially because M. Hamel had said that he would question us on participle. He would question on us participle. That participle was the assignment and he has to ask next day. And I did not know the first word about them. The speaker says clearly that I know nothing. I know nothing. Now, for a moment, I thought of running away and spending the day out of doors. Then what did he think? Oh, he wanted to bunk the class. Spending the day out. स्कूल न जाएं, बाहर ही रहें, बेहतर है. स्कूल जाना ना पड़े, बाहर रहना चाहता है. It was so warm, so bright, the weather condition. The birds were chirping at the edge of the woods, forest, and in the open field, back of the sawmill, the mill of saw, that is mill or the fir where we get the cutting of the woods, sawmill, the Prussian soldiers were drilling, marching, practicing, exercising. It was all much more tempting than the rules for participants. Tempting, attracting him too much. Now little French was very much attracted because of the fresh air, because of the chirping of the birds in the wood and drilling of the soldiers. But I had the strength to resist. But he has controlled his desire of watching all these. Then, and hurried off to school. And then he went quickly to the school. Now, just I would like to end up the class, and next day we will meet and it will go on further. Up to that, thank you, my dears.